Hello, children. Welcome back to our St. Joseph School. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself at home. In previous class, we have studied basic science. No. Now, let us start unit number 1, our body, lesson number 1.1, body movements. This is first lesson in your EVS subject, children. Okay. All of you open your textbook, page number 96. Okay. Now I am going to read this lesson, children. You also read with me. Our body helps us to make many movements. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. Children, see here. Our body helps us to make many movements like running, writing, eating, etc. Children, see here. Since the time we get up in the morning till we go to bed at night, we endlessly do some work, children. For this purpose, the continuous movement of our body is very necessary, children. Got it? Let us learn about our body parts. Children, can you name our body parts? Okay, read with me. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, arms. Then hands, fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, legs, knee, ankle, foot and toes. Children, see the picture and name the parts. Eyebrow, eye, ear, nose, mouth, chin, neck, chest, stomach, arm, hand, knee, leg and foot. Children, this is our head. Head is topmost part of our body, children. Without our head, we will not be able to see, hear and talk with people around us. Let us see parts of our head, children. Hair, eyebrow, ear, nose, teeth, mouth, chin, neck, tongue and eye. Children, see the textbook. Read with me. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. Children, our eyes are very important part in our body, children. Just close your eyes for 2 seconds, children. Can you see anything? Nothing, no. Our eyes help us to read and see the things around us like nature, colorful flowers, colorful birds and different types of animals. Children, see the textbook. Read with me. Our mouth helps us to talk and to chew our food. Children, our mouth helps us to talk. You like talking? No. Then helps us to chew our food. Then read, children. See the textbook. Our neck helps us to turn our head. Children, our neck helps us to turn our head towards right side, left side, up and down. Let us see the picture, movement of our neck, children. Looking left side, this is looking right side. To look up, to look down, to look a little behind, and to move the neck in a circular movement. Children, read the textbook with me. We are able to work with our hands, as our fingers and thumb can also bend, children. Children, our hands are most important parts of our arm, children. We are able to move wrist and also we are able to move our elbow. Children, do you know the thumb is the most important of the 5 fingers on each of our hand, children. It can touch the tip of each of the other fingers. Children, thumb means hebbatu. Hebbatu pramukhavada anga. Okay. Fingernails and toenails protect the ends of our fingers and toes. Got it? Similarly, we are able to move our shoulders up and down. And also, we are able to move in a circular movement. Got it, children? Children, our hands are most important parts of our arms. We pick up things with the help of our hand, children. Similarly, we are able to write, eat, and do a number of work with our hand, children. Let us see the picture of movement of hands. Okay. To brush our teeth. Which part will move, children? Yes, movement of fingers, wrist and elbow. To skip with the help of skipping rope. Can you tell me, children, which part will move? Yes, fingers, wrist, elbow and shoulder. Got it? Then to write. Tell me, children, which part will move? Yes, movement of fingers and wrist. To eat our food. Movement of fingers, wrist and elbow. To play a badminton. Movement of our shoulder, elbow, wrist and fingers. Children, see the textbook. Read with me. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. The toes of our feet can also bend. Children, our legs are very important part in our body because we are able to move freely because of our legs, children. Children, our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. The toes of our feet can also bend. Children, let us see the picture of movement of our legs. To walk. Movement of ankles. To run. Can you guess, children, which part will move? Yes, knee and ankle. To skip with the help of skipping rope, knee and ankle. To sit cross-legged, ankle and knee. Children, see the textbook. In the textbook given number of actions. Okay, let us read the actions. First one, walking. Second one, jumping, running, dancing, skating, playing an instrument, reading, playing, using the computer. Children, these are actions given in your textbook. Children, we are able to walk, jump, run, dance and do a number of actions and movements with our body, children. Understood? Children, do you know when you break a bone in your body, it is called a fracture. Children, ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡೋ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲು ಮುರಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು. When a bone is broken, we should consult a doctor soon. Got it? Children, let us revise what you learn in this lesson. Our body helps us to make many movements. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. Our mouth helps us to talk and to chew our food. Our neck helps us to turn our head. Our arms bend at the elbows and at the wrist. Our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. Okay children, let us meet in next class.